Hello guys, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix this low speed issue in Steam games. The game that I'm downloading, updating basically is 30 GB game, 13 GB, and is downloading is on 2.9 MB speed. So we are going to fix this. So the only thing that I search on the internet, we go to Steam, we click on Steam settings and we click on downloads. We will change the server over here. Right now it says Pakistan Karachi, so that's why it's downloading on 2.8 MB, and when you click on, there are too many servers, too many regions, so I'm likely to go with US. That's all about it, US and this server, right? And it will ask me to restart now, so I will click on the restart button. That the downloading speed will be increased from 3 MB, 3.9 MB to around 8.3 MB, 9.3 MB, and you will slowly notice it will increase more. It will go around 20 MB. So the days was the time that previously is taking around 4 to 5 hours, but now it's saying 1 hour or 59 minutes, as you can see. The speed is increased. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please and like this video. It's a easy fix and a easy video. Thank you.